Welcome to our channel. Did you know that the first drink you have in the morning can really make a difference for your blood sugar levels all day long? Today, we're excited to share with you the 5 best morning drinks for diabetics. These drinks not only help manage blood sugar, but also offer a bunch of other health benefits. Choosing the right morning drink is super important, especially if you're one of the millions of people worldwide managing diabetes. But here's the thing. While these drinks are great, they also come with some things to keep in mind, like acidity levels that could affect your tooth enamel, making sure there's no added sugar, and finding the right balance to get the most out of them without going overboard. So, let's dive into it. Starting our list at number 5, we have water with lemon. It's a simple but powerful way to kickstart your day. Lemons are not only refreshing but also packed with vitamin C, which helps manage blood sugar and has antioxidant properties. Plus, they can even support fat loss. Moving on to number 4, we have black coffee. If you're like many people, your day doesn't really start until you've had your morning cup of joe. And guess what? Black coffee, without any added sugar or cream, can actually be really good for managing blood sugar. It's all thanks to antioxidants like chlorogenic acid and magnesium, which help improve insulin sensitivity. Now, let's talk about number 3, chia seed water. Chia seeds are like little powerhouses of nutrition, especially when it comes to managing blood sugar. They're high in fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, and they're packed with minerals like magnesium and calcium. Coming in at number 2 is water with apple cider vinegar. This might sound a bit unusual, but trust us, it's worth trying. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels, especially when consumed in the morning. Just be sure to dilute it properly and protect your tooth enamel. And finally, claiming the top spot is green tea. It's been praised for centuries for its health benefits, and for good reason. Green tea contains antioxidants called catechins, which can boost insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels throughout the day. So, there you have it, the 5 best morning drinks for diabetics. Each of these drinks has its own unique benefits, so feel free to try them out and see which ones work best for you. And if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier morning routine. Are you searching for healthier alternatives to manage diabetes? Look no further. Click the link in the description below for valuable resources and solutions to support your journey towards better health.